Welcome to our video on how to make this 3D part. First we will make this block. Second, this 5 mm thick addition. Next, this 4 verticals. Next, this portion. Material removal. Fillet. Let's start this activity. Select Part Design Workbench. Click here to add new document. Add body. Add additive box. Provide length, width, and height. Check height. Total length. Minus this length. Plus slot thickness. Click OK. Remove material with subtractive box. Check dimensions. Select reference plane. Provide offsets. In X direction. In Z direction. Click OK to remove material. Next step is to add 4 verticals. Check dimensions and follow steps. Select reference plane. Provide offset in Z direction. Click OK to add first vertical. Select additive box. Follow the same steps. Provide offsets. In Y direction. Click OK to add second vertical. Select additive box. Select reference plane. Provide offsets. Click OK to add third vertical. Select additive box. Provide dimensions. Select reference plane. Provide offsets. Click OK to add fourth vertical. Add sketch. Select reference plane. Draw rough sketch. Provide radius. Provide planar degrees of freedom. Provide arc. Provide radius. Select line tool and draw lines. Auto constraints are turned on. Provide constraints. Check remaining degree of freedom. Provide horizontal distance. Check degrees of freedom. Provide vertical distance constraint. You can see fully constrained sketch. Extrude this sketch. Select edge. Provide fillet. Click OK. Select last feature. Change this condition to true. Let's export this part. Let's import this part. Move this part. Change color. And there you have it. By following along and analyzing the isometric view, you've successfully recreated this part. Well done! Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of your creativity.